If I had $1 million, if I had $1 million, buy you furniture for your house, that's just to feel alive. If I had $1 million, if I had $1 million, I'd buy you a cake car, a nice ride automobile. If I had $1 million, I'd buy your love. If I had $1 million, we build a tree fort in the yard. If I had $1 million, you could help, it wouldn't be that hard. If I had $1 million, we could put a tiny little fridge in there. Place to go, place to hang out. Problem is, you build a nice place like that, then you gotta start deciding who gets in and who gets out. No one ever comes in, no one ever comes out. Remember that? No? It's Willy Wonka. See, I was thinking we appoint someone to decide who gets in and who has to wait outside. Sort of a bouncer slash doorman slash kind of club president type person. I was just thinking, someone who would be perfect for this role, Kevin's father, Pat Hearn! He's right there! He's a solid judgy character, and he's so huge that nobody would fuck with him. Dad, will you do it for us? If I had $1 million, if I had $1 million, well, I'd buy you a fur coat, but not a real fur coat, that's cruel. If I had $1 million, if I had $1 million, like buy you exotic pappy dad, a lemon or an Edie, discovered them already. $1 million, if I had $1 million. No Canadians ever do that in Canada. The only reason they haven't invaded us is they don't feel like it. Come and wave your flag in Michigan, please. If I had $1 million, if I had $1 million, like Bonnie John Barrett's Marines, to all those crazy elephant dogs. If I had $1 million, I'd buy your love. If I had $1 million, we wouldn't have to walk to the store. If I had $1 million, take the machine, cause it costs more. If I had $1 million, we wouldn't have to eat crack dinner, but we would. Folks, would you sing along with us one more time? Just repeat after me. Just repeat after me. Just say the things I say. Just say the things I say. Like Kevin's doing now. Like Kevin's doing now. Here we go. If I had $1 million, if I had $1 million, I'd buy you a green dress, but not a real green dress. That's true. If I had $1 million, sing it! If I had $1 million, I'd buy you some art, some autograph. If I had $1 million, come on! If I had $1 million, I'd buy you a monkey. Bet you always wanted a monkey. If I had $1 million, I'd buy your love. If I had $1 million,